Hello everyone, welcome back to the Active Database Series. Today we'll dive deep into the world of MySQL and explore a function called the CASE statement. If you have ever wanted to perform a conditional logic in MySQL, the CASE statement is exactly what you need. Whether you are just getting started or looking to refine your MySQL skills, this tutorial is simplified to show you how to use the CASE statement in real-world scenario. Let's take a look at a simple example. Suppose we have a table called employee salary in our CASE database and we want to classify employee based on their salary range. Using a CASE statement, we can categorize them as low or higher income earners. Now let's just see. We said select and then we state these columns in the employee salary table. We said we just want the first name, last name, and then the salary. And then we said from employee salary. And within this two statement, we want to use the case statement. We said case, then we said end, which is the end of the case statement. And within this case and end statement, what you want to do is to state the condition. We said when salary greater than or equal to 70,000, then let the salary be called high income. Else, let it be called low income. And then because we have not included a comma here, that is why you are seeing this indication. So what we want to do, we want to execute this one and then you will see. Now looking at it here, it has categorized them by both low and high income earners. But we want to assign an alias to change the name of this column. So we said as income range. When we execute it, here you see it has successfully changed the name of this column. So now we can know the individuals with lower income or higher income. You are seeing here we have Ron is a higher income earner and Tom is a lower income earner. So let me just fulfill a simple condition being given by management. Management wants us to add 5,000 to each salary below 70,000. So what we want to say, we said select first name, last name, and then salary. These are the columns we need. We said from employee salary. So within here again, we want to state our case. Then we said end when salary is less than 70,000. We said then we open a bracket. Here we want to state what we want to add. We said salary plus 5,000. We close it. Else we said state no bonus. So we want to assign the alias as remember income range here. We assign it as an alias. But first of all, we have something missing here. We said S. So we say select first name, last name, salary, and where salary is less than 70,000, add 5,000 to it. Else, if the individual does not meet this particular criteria or condition, return as no bonus. So we execute this one here, and we now see that most of these individuals here are not having bonuses. So for another case, we can give a particular condition wherein we can use the between clause. Maybe in some cases otherwise, we want to set a condition where salary can be within a specific range. For this particular condition, we can use the between clause. Now, how can we integrate this between clause is what we want to explore. We said select first name, last name, salary from employee salary table. And then within this one, we can use our case. And just as usual, within this case, we can now state our condition. We said when salary less than 30,000, then let it be low income. And it said when salary between, so now you see we use the between clause. When salary is between 40,000 and 65,000, then let it be medium. And then we said else higher income. Sorry, salary. Let me just assign an alias here, which is this income range. So when we execute this one, it is going to give us our wonderful result. You see, here we are having high income, medium, and then low income.